This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough of how to edit your profile on UI LMS Portal. Click on Login. Fill in your login details. Choose the Login option. Click on the top right toggle icon. Select the option to Profile. Navigate to the Edit Profile section. Do not mess with this input functions. Select these options to suit your taste. Hide my email address from non-privileged users. Allow everyone to see my email address, or allow only other course members to see my email address option. Free to edit city, town field. Select this option to select a country. Click the selected button to edit profile image. Select the attachment option to upload an image. Choose the Upload this file option. Close the tab. Click on the Additional Names field to add other names, e.g. phonetic name. Navigate to the Interests section to add what you are interested in. Click the selected location. Just leave this part if you don't know what you are doing. Navigate to the Department section to add your department name if you feel like. Select the Other Fields option. Add the name of your faculty. Click on the Update Profile field. This guide covered the steps to editing your UI LMS portal. Please don't forget to subscribe.